This is how to do a seated forehead to knee pose. We'll start on the right side. Cross your ankles so that your left leg is in front. Both feet should be on the floor. Turn your body to the right, straddle your knee, round your spine, and bring your forehead to your knee. When you're ready, switch out your legs, bring your right foot in front, turn to the left, round your spine, bring your forehead to your knee. To modify this pose, extend your legs out nice and comfortable, not too wide and not too close together. Straddle one leg, slide your hands forward, round your spine, and drop your head down. Then do the same thing on the other side. Straddle your leg, round your spine, and drop your head down.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.